The TE1 error code on an LG dryer indicates a problem with the temperature sensor, specifically a thermistor issue. This fault can be caused by a faulty thermistor, issues with the wiring, or a problem with the control board. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to start by inspecting the wiring, checking for any damaged or loose wires connected to the thermistor. If any wires are loose, they should be re-tightened, and if damaged, they should be replaced. Additionally, unplugging the dryer and restarting it may also clear the error. It is also necessary to inspect the thermistor itself, as it may be worn out or damaged, in which case it will need to be replaced. The control board, which connects to the thermistor, may also be the source of the problem, and if it is damaged, it too will need to be replaced. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a technician for assistance.